Hello, I am Bob. This is my channel about success, money and investment. Today we will talk about Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, a book by T Harv Eker. In his book, T Harv Eker offers 17 habits of rich people that differs them from poor people. The book is for everyone who ever wonders how to make money. It will absolutely change your mindset and point of view towards your life and life in general. Before we move on, don't forget to check out my channel for similar content and hit the like and subscribe button to support the channel. Rich people take responsibility for what's going on. Poor people play the victim card. Rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me. Who do you think is more likely or playing the lottery, a rich or a poor person? You guessed it. It's a poor man's habit. Poor people actually believe that the only way they can possibly become rich is if someone else draws their name out of a hat. Poor people frequently put themselves in the role of the victim and blame anyone they can, whether the government, their employer or the economic situation. But until you realize that you are the one who decides the scale of your financial success, nothing about your situation is going to change. If you catch yourself putting the blame for your financial distress on others or complaining about it, you should always remember that you yourself are responsible for your success and search for the reasons for your failure. To break the pattern of thinking like a victim, you should regularly prepare a list with transactions that went badly and analyze how much you had at stake. Rather than complaining, you should focus on points where you can make changes and do something for your own prosperity. Then you can consciously embark on the path of wealth. You can only get rich if you give it your all. Rich people know from the beginning that their goal is affluence and thus develop an unconditional commitment to their prosperity. People who just want to get rich, but put limits on how much they're willing to do or sacrifice to get rich stay poor. Only people who are fully committed to wealth and would bet their lives on it will be prosperous. Working hard 16 hours a day for an indefinite period of time and accepting that you'll have less freedom are part of that commitment. The best strategy is to begin working in the industry you want to be in with enthusiasm and curiosity. It doesn't matter in what position. If you have the goal to open up a restaurant chain, you'll learn the most if you work in the catering business and pick up tricks from your manager. If you don't have any original business ideas, you're welcome to hop onto somebody else's bandwagon. In this case, you must make an agreement with yourself to become a millionaire and fully commit yourself to pursuing your business ideas. Rich people choose to get paid based on results. Poor people choose to get paid based on time. Poor people prefer being paid a steady monthly or hourly wage. Why? Because they are afraid of earning according to their performance. But this security of a guaranteed monthly or hourly salary comes with a price, and that price is their wealth. Rich people think both. Poor people think either/or. A poor person thinks that there's never enough to go around. The problem with this mindset is that it stops all creativity. Instead of thinking or saying such things to yourself, try asking, how can I have both? More often than not, you'll find a way. If you like the video about Secrets of the Millionaire Mindset, like and subscribe to my channel to be the first to get the updates about life planning, finances, investing, and being successful.